I think today I learned it's super important to surround yourself with people who inspire you and inspire you to be innovative and creative in whatever field or industry you're in.
So behind us for our exhibition right now, and really today what I've learned is if you have an idea that might not be in a company or might not exist already, always make your own company and make your own job.
It's been awesome that you were able to bring all these young women here interested in STEM. I love that, and I think it's been great to see the young talent coming in and interested in this area, which I think has so much opportunity to do really important, meaningful things to solve big problems. Advanced manufacturing is what's going to do that, and I hope that all the young women that came today were a little bit inspired to do that in this field.
Absolutely, and what we're hearing from a lot of the students so far is that they had no idea that this kind of innovation was happening within Canada and the kinds of careers that are related to that.
Yeah, which is so amazing. I think we need to do a way better job of blowing our own horn of the great things that are going on here. I mean, Canada is one of the best places in the world to manufacture, top 4 or 5 countries in the world to manufacture, and we're one of the top countries in terms of developing innovation and technology. So the intersection of those two things is advanced manufacturing. So we couldn't be in a better place to drive innovation and do, I think, important things for the future.